Hello everyone. Let's take a look at finding the area of kind of a complicated rectangular prism. Okay, so what we have here is a kind of a goofy shape, and let me see if I can change some colors here. So we have this shape and it's kind of like a goofy E, F, upside down F shape here. And notice that this shape is being stretched, and it's being stretched 4 units everywhere. 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units. Every dimension is being stretched 4 units. So the goofy shape upside down F would be on the front side of the shape as well as on the back side of the shape. And one of the things that we can do when we are looking at volume of rectangular prisms, volume is equal to the capital B, which stands for area of the base, times the height. Okay, and so what we're going to do, we're going to kind of call this the base, this goofy shape. We're going to find the area of this goofy base there, and then we're going to times it by the height. It's going up. It's kind of like how far it's stretched. In this case, it's going to be 4. And in order to find the area of this goofy shape, let's cut it up. Okay, so I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to cut it here, and I'm going to cut it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, we have 4 different shapes there. Okay, so this shape here, to find the area of this shape, it's 1 times 3. Okay, so let's choose another color here, and let's make that 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, now this length right here, we know this is 4. We know this is another 1, so 4 and 1 makes 5. So this will be like 5 times 3, which is 15. And then here, I have a 1 here and I have a 2 here. So 2 is this up and down. I know that from here to here is 5. Take away 1, and that leaves me with a little, this line up here is a 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. And down in here, 2 times 8 would be a 16. So I have all of these pieces. I have, let me put my different color on. I have the area of my base, which is the first block, which is 3, plus the second block, which is 15. Okay, plus the third block, which is 2. I'm sorry, it's 8. It's 2 times 4. And then the bottom block, which is 8 times 2, and that gives me 16. So that is my total area of the base. Then we're going to times it by the height, how far we stretch it, and that would be at a unit distance of 4. Okay? Alrighty. So I'm going to add the bigger numbers first. 15 and 16 is 31. Plus 8 is 39, plus 3, and I get 42. It's my measurement for the area of the base. And my stretch is 4. Okay, so it's going to be 42 times 4. Okay, 4 times 2 gives me 8. And 4 times 40 is 160. So we have 168. Now, I didn't put units over here. I'm going to just kind of talk a little bit about units now. We are looking for volume, okay? If you are looking for area, whoops, that was kind of fancy guy. If you're looking for area, your units will be in units squared, okay? Units squared. So if I was using centimeters, it would be centimeters squared. When I'm using volume, or I'm solving for volume, my units will be cubed, okay? So my unit measurement would be cubed. So if I was using inches here, 10 inches, 8 inches, 2 inches, etc., my units over here, because it's volume, would be inches cubed. If I was using meters, it would be meters cubed, okay? So whatever units I'm using, and I'm just going to put the word unit in here, small, whatever unit I'm using, it would be unit cubed. Okay, so quick recap. If you have a goofy shape like this, okay, cut up the shape to find all the individual little areas, okay? And once you have the area of the entire, let's see if I can find, oops. Once you have the area of the entire goofy shape here, okay, once you have this entire goofy shape, I'm just coloring it all in, oops, color, 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 color. Once that whole shape, you've got that area, you put that area in your formula, okay, there's my entire area, all those chunks added together, then you multiply it by how far it was stretched. In this case, it was a stretch of 4, okay? Then you take the area of your base, all those units, add them up, multiply it by 4, and because it's volume, it'll be the number units cubed.